everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of July 12th through the 18th. I'm using this kit from BnR Paper Crafts called Camping. I think it's super cute, definitely fun. I just got this one. You might have seen my haul a couple weeks ago. So this is everything in the kit. It's a huge kit, so I'm definitely going to have some stuff left over, but that's totally fine with me. I will use it for another spread. So with this kit, I don't think I really need anything except what's in the kit, so we can just go ahead and jump right into it. My plan is to use this bottom washi, use the date covers, don't know if I need that, the weekend banner, date dots, and then I'm going to use the to do today little things. I think I'm going to have some extras of those. So I'm going to put all those things down, stick all of this stuff to the side, and then I will be right back. All right, here's where we are right now. Super cute. As you might have noticed, I had to pull this back up. It's like just fits. I don't recommend peeling this paper up, but she's also getting rid of this paper, so it doesn't actually matter. Since that's not going to be an issue. So this kit comes with 13 full boxes. And then there's also these sheets with washi strips and this little like half extra bottom washi thing. So my goal is to try to minimize how much like overlap there is in what's left over. So I think I'm just gonna stick all these to the side and just use 8 of these guys and call it good. I think I'm gonna use this one as my quote box because I just really like it and I think it's fun. There we go. Ooh, that's not straight at all. I'm gonna peel things up again, just like I said, don't do, because that's where we are right now. Hopefully this will be better. Right, that looks a lot better. So in terms of the extra one, I might leave one of the tents out. I'm not actually camping, but this weekend is the retreat for work, so we're going out kind of into the country a little, so I figured it was a good thing to use, even if we're not actually camping. So let's see, I feel like there are 3 fire ones, so I'm just gonna split those up, I think. Hopefully I can line everything up correctly. Let's see, leave this one on Tuesday. I don't really know why I'm struggling to line these up so much. On this one on Saturday. There we go. And then maybe I'll leave this one actually. Sure. What if I do both tents so they kind of go together? Anyone else overthink your boxes this much? I feel like I so much overthink it and it doesn't even matter. But yet I still do this every single time. And then I like them kind of like pointing in towards the page. That makes sense. So I'm going to stick the stocks here on Monday, and then the s'mores on Sunday. That leaves just this single box left that I'm going to stick in my leftovers, because there's definitely going to be enough left. As you might have noticed, I did not put down the weekend banner. I felt like with the bottom washi, I didn't really need the weekend banner. I thought that might be too much. So here we are. All right, good enough. There we go. That is everything. Now for the sidebar. I don't know which of these pages I need, so I'm just gonna bring them all over here. This one I definitely don't need. That one can go back. I'm gonna start out with this week. At the top. There we go. I think I'm done with that page for now. One habit tracker there. Then I have another habit tracker here. I think I'm going to use this guy. Like so. And then I think there's enough space that I'm just going to use the other one as well. In there. One of these is for Instagram, and then one is for cleaning my cat's teeth. So I'm going to use this little paw print for cleaning teeth. What do I want to use for Instagram? Because of course I didn't like pull anything out, because that would be too smart. What if I use this little heart? So I'm going to use this one here, and then I'm going to stick this one there. Okay, there is that. And then somewhere I have all these headers. I'm going to do dinners. Right here. And then I'm going to take this weekly box and put that right here. And then I have like a ton of space left over. So I need to figure out what I want to do with that space. I have a couple of like American Crafts books that I pulled out and then just never put away. Maybe there's something kind of camp-like in one of these. I feel like this bug is kind of camp-like, but it doesn't really go with the colors of the kit. There's this like bright orange washi strip I could use. Ooh, there's this washi strip. That one kind of goes. I feel like this one has more vintage-y kind of vibes, so I feel like it'll go better. Those really go. I think I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to make some strips. I know I have a ton of washi in the kit, but whatever. Oh, my cat wants to say hello, so there you go. Hello, Pepper. I'm just gonna make it like line up to make like this pattern. Well, it's not cut very straight, but it's fine. There we go. Oh, that's like perfect. And that really fills in the space really well too. All right, so there's my sidebar all done. Now on to the weekly plans. I have too many sheets still because I've never used these kits and I don't know what I'm doing. So I have 4 days of like regular work this week. So I am just going to use these 4 little money bag guys at the top of each of the days. I don't know what order to put them in, but it's fine. And then the 4th one will go on the other side. The other thing I have going on is my plan with me, which I'm just going to use the sticker from the kit. No reason to do more work than I need to. I also have a dermatologist appointment, which I forgot about. I don't have like a good icon for that. Hang on 1 second. Here is my book of all of those kinds of stickers. Pull out the health related ones. I'm not actually sick. Just use a stethoscope. Yeah, I feel like that might be a good choice. Ooh, this orange is actually a really good match. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. I've had them for a while at this point, but there we go. All right, so that is everything on Monday. I think Tuesday and Wednesday as well. It's really a quiet week except for working. Thursday, I'm gonna stick the last one of these guys down. Like so. And then we are leaving work a little bit early. And I think I'm gonna use this one. We are gonna do retreat things. I think we're starting out with getting headshots done. Then I think like a cocktail hour or something like that. So I think that's just how I'm going to fill that in. And then Friday is retreat all day. So I think I'm going to use this guy. Maybe I'm going to put it this way because it's not like I don't have the space. And then Saturday morning is also retreat time. Do I fill it in this way? Is there something like a little smaller? We're just finishing up some like last minute kinds of tasks. I think maybe I'll use one of these. What if I use it as like a flag? Like so. And then we're gonna do some sort of activities. Unknown what that's gonna be. The rest of the day on Saturday. And then Sunday is completely up in the air. It's to catch up with our lives. Post-retreat. So I think this is pretty much where we're at right now. Stick that to the side. So this is, I'll move it down so you can see a little bit better. This is the pre-planning all done for the week. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super cute and definitely great for this retreat week that I was doing. If I don't mention it, it comes from the kit, which is from BnR Paper Crafts. I still have a ton of leftovers, so definitely enough to do a full other spread. I'll probably do it, I don't know, 2022 maybe? We'll have to see. But tons of stuff left, so that's always great. So yeah. This is from American Crafts. This is a Creative Cavern Studio, as is this one. And this is from My Planner Life UK. This is Creative Cavern Studio, Chasing Chels, Piper Paper Company, The Sticker Patch, Creative Cavern Studio, Wonton and a Million with Craftsmith, Creative Cavern Studio, Wonton and a Million at Craftsmith, and then everything else is from the kit. So I tried to really use the kit as much as possible, which was great. Got a good amount done, and then just pulled in a few extra icons for things that are maybe not the normal things you do every week and therefore are not in the kit. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you're doing for the rest of the summer and what kits you started picking out for fall. I'm definitely ready to start thinking about fall at this point, even though I haven't finalized all my August kits, but you know, it is what it is. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.